Hello viewer, come on in and welcome to 54A. Hello viewer, right, when I bought my new lathe 2 or 3 months ago now I suppose, of course my old lathe was a 1" by 8 TPI for the chucks, and the new lathe is an M33, so I had to buy one of these great adapters, which is horrible. Made the chuck stick out, as you can guess, that much further. So I didn't like that idea, so I got rid of me two Axminster chucks, and I thought I'll order a new one. I won't bother with the Evolution 114 that I had before. I'll just get another Clubman 100, the 4" chuck, to fit the new lathe. So while I was waiting for that to come, I started browsing, and for the same price I could get a Nova Supernova 2. Well, I had two chucks before, so I thought I'll order one of them Novas. I've heard things about them, they seem to be okay. Then I'm back to my two chucks that will fit directly on to my lathe. Anyway, I'll grab hold of the camera because my arms aren't that long, and I'll show you the comparison. The Axminster Clubman 100 in a lovely box. Ooh, that's really nice, isn't it? And a bit of paper. The chuck, and one of the shortest chuck keys you'll ever wish to find. A bare chuck, that's it. Open backed, which I knew, but I'm just, you know, this is a comparison. Open backed, this is the bit that is the fits on instead of having a spindle adapter. Good chuck. I've always been pleased with them. But that's it, that's what you get for, I don't know, I think it's about 120 quid, something like that. Anyway, if you're moving it along, after that, remember that's all you get. Moving along here, this is what you get with a Nova. Okay, the box isn't so impressive, big deal. You get the chuck enclosed back. Both these chucks, by the way, you can lock onto the spindle for reverse turning. I like this enclosed back. You also get a set of jaws, a decent faceplate ring, a decent length chuck key, an Allen key, a manual that tells you how to strip the thing right down if you want to do maintenance on it and rebuild it. Same price. I don't think there's much comparison there. That Nova is a damn good chuck, and I'm really pleased that I bought it. And I shan't be buying any more Axminster's chucks, I'm afraid. Not when there's value like this on the market. This is just my opinion. But people always like to know. Somebody spotted that I got a Nova chuck on the lathe on my last video, so I thought I'll do this little bit about them. And there you go. More or less the same price. There's just a few pounds, £3 or £4 in it, that's all. There you go. There are other reasons why I chose these chucks. The first one, with the Axminster, I've already got quite a few set of the Axminster jaws, And so I thought, well, I might as well just buy a chuck and at least I can use all my old jaws. But when I got the Nova, and I found out that a lot of jaws, doesn't have to be Nova, I think Record and one or two other makes, the jaws fit this chuck. Another thing about, oh, hang on, nearly knocked the posh box over. Another thing about the Nova, you can't open it too much. That's at its limit. When it gets to, that's it, it's locked now. The jaws won't come past the body, or the jaw carriers won't come past the body. So if you've got the wrong size ones on, you can't stretch it out a bit. Put a proper set of jaws on. With the Axminster ones, they will just carry on opening up until they drop out. So you can easily be tempted, and I've been tempted myself with these. Oh, I've not quite got it the right size. I'll just open it up a bit more, and you end up with these spinning around. So you have to be really careful. I'll still use it. I've got all the jaws for it. I definitely prefer this Nova. I bought a couple of other things as well. And again, a guy spotted this in the last video on the floor. It's a pressure pot for doing resin work. That should be a laugh. I'm having a bit of fun with it at the moment, but I haven't had much success, but I'll keep experimenting. I bought a pen mandrel as well, because the one I had was pretty grotty, and so I bought a better pen mandrel, so that's something else I could have a go at. And the last thing I bought is, oh yeah, couldn't find it for a minute. It's for turning spheres, and I've just had a little play with this. It only came 2 days ago. It's very easy to set up, and I have actually turned a sphere. I'll get it. Ta-da! It works. That's not bad at all. So that's something else I'll be probably doing a video on when I've got the hang of it. So it's all systems go here at 54A. I don't know what to do first. Tidy this mess up, I think. Anyway, see you soon. Bye now.